Oh, fish on. I knew it, man. He's not ready. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on again. Fish on. Gentlemen, Connor, your YouTube fisherman, back here on my kayak, Old Town Sportsman AutoPilot 120, doing what I love, kayak fishing. Beautiful, gorgeous Florida morning. It's nice and crispy. Temperatures around 65 degrees this morning. Incredible. Mwah. The best time to fish. Jetties, pier, surf fishing, kayak fishing. Whenever you get a chance, guys, come out, fish. This is the time to catch lots of redfish, snook, trout. You go to beach, now the pompano is gonna start running. You're gonna get some big ones, keeper ones. So next week I'm definitely gonna be hitting the surf and do some surf fishing, so stay tuned for that. But today we're just cruising, man. Beautiful. The wind's blowing from the east, northeast, so we're gonna be working the southwest side of the mangroves. And as you can see, that's the side that's protected. You gotta look for moving water and protected areas, and that way the predators, they hide, ambush the bait fish. That's the best spot you're gonna catch a redfish, snook, trout. Let's see if we can get an inshore slam today. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is the best time that I love to come out and fish. Look at the sky. Sun is about to come out. Enjoying this beautiful nature. God, unbelievable. But I'm gonna enjoy this 5 more minutes. No fishing at all. Just kind of soak it in. I suggest you guys do this too whenever you go out fish. Just enjoy the moment, enjoy the views, appreciate God, that what we got, we're able to do what we love. And that's it. Enjoy life. Let's go. Just had a nice redfish on right there on that little pocket. Oh, he let go. Right there. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one, guys. That's why I love coming to mangroves. Like pockets like that. Look. Look, 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 look. Pockets like that. That's what I like. Like right there. Come on. Oh, you see that? Come on. See the currents going towards the mangroves. So they're just chilling there, waiting for the bait. Come on. Come on. Nice big blow up. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I know you guys are there. I know you're there. Just cruising along. Oh, fish on. I told you guys. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Fish on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's a good redfish. Oh yeah. Oh, I told you guys. Oh no, don't go under the kayak. Yes, 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 yes. Easy, 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 baby. Easy, baby. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, 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 easy. Yes! In the net, baby! In the net! Let's hit the SportLok. I'm telling you guys, water's moving in. You see the current with the wind right there. All the bait fish comes in, boom, predators attack it. I love it. I love it. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Oh, yes, that's what it's all about, man. Yes. And the lure just came out. Look at that. Oh, man. Those are the single hooks, Moonwalker, right there. Top water, baby. Top water does the trick. Yes. I love it. I love it. Say ah. Say ah. I got you, baby. I got you. I got you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's get that net out there. Look at this beautiful fish, man. Yes, first fish of the morning. One spot there, one spot there, two spot. Smells like a beautiful redfish. Yes, baby, we're gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go, don't worry. Let's measure it real quick. Wet our board. All right. You wanna keep the fish as much as you can in the water. And always support the body like that. Don't yank his mouth, jaws. We have 22, almost 22-inch redfish. Beautiful redfish. Gotta love it, guys. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. There you go, guys. Nice 22-inch redfish. Beautiful blue tail. First fish of the morning. Thank you very much. I love this. We're gonna let him go and get some more fish. Beautiful 20-inch, 22-inch redfish. We'll let him go. There you go, buddy. There you go. I love it. Let's go. Told you guys. I told you I was gonna get something here. I knew it, man. I knew it. Redfish. Yes. Yes. I knew it. That corner, man. I knew it. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. Another beautiful redfish. That looks like a 20-incher. One spot here, one spot there. Beautiful blue tail. Nice and shiny, healthy. Hit the top water right around the corner. And this one is probably 20. Yep, 20 and a quarter. Well, 20 and a half actually. Exactly 20 and a half. The other one was 22. This one 20 and a half. Two beautiful redfish. There you go, guys. We're gonna let him go. Thank you very much. Here it is. There he goes. Nice and healthy. I love it, man. I love it when the plan works, that you know, with the wind blowing this way, the current, they ambush the bait right there. So along this edge, you're gonna catch something. I knew it, and I did it. And there was a couple more big ones, so stay tuned. We're gonna catch them as well. Let's go, baby. Fish on. Fish on. SportLok. I told you guys, top water, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Fish on. Nice red. Ooh. Ooh, he's feisty. He's feisty. Don't go under the kayak. He's feisty, baby. He's not ready. Oh yeah, he's not ready. Oh yeah, baby, fish on. I love it. Working all along the mangroves. Beautiful redfish. Oh yes, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Take it easy. Take it easy. Tranquilo. Tranquilo, baby. There you go. Yes. I love it, man. I love it. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful redfish. Beautiful redfish. Once again, on the top water. 1.5 water. Look at that beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Get in there. Yes. Fish on, baby. In the net, baby. Oh, that's a good one. I think that's my biggest one today. Oh, buddy. Yes, baby. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. Cruising down the mangroves. Easy, baby. Easy. Easy, easy. Easy, fella. There you go. That's off. Oh, I love it. I love it when the plan works. I got you. I got you, puppy. I got you. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. I love it. I love it. Another beast. That's a heavy sucker. One spot here, one spot there. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Let's measure this bad boy. Oh, I love this, man. I really love this feeling. Fish on, baby, fish on. Ah. As they get bigger, the fights get stronger. All right, we have 26-inch. Yep, perfect 26, a little over. 26-inch, beautiful, gorgeous redfish. Guys, there you go. This is what's all about. Unbelievable. Gotta love this beautiful shiny skin, blue tail. We're gonna let him go. We'll catch you later, buddy. There we go. Yes, nice and strong. Look at them going. I love it. Guys, wow. This is incredible. All 3 redfish on top water, moonwalker. When it's calmer, you gotta pick the side. If the wind's blowing the other side, you gotta come to the other side of the mangrove. Just kind of work the edges. You could troll, you could throw it in, cast it, top water, zigzag, zigzag, boom, fish on, baby. 3 redfish on top water, gotta love it. And it's not even 9:30 yet. Let's go, baby. Let's catch more fish. Oh, fish on. Oh, fish on, baby. There's SportLok. Nope. I got SportLok. Where'd it go? Oh, come on, man. Come on. Come this way. Where are you going? Where are you going? Here, here. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? Oh, my God. How did it get stuck in there? There we go. Here we go. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. He got stuck on the... Oh, man. Nice redfish. Yes, baby. Oh, man. Got stuck on the rudder, too. Oh, baby, I love you. Yes. Come to Papa. Right on the side of the mouth. He wasn't going nowhere. Beautiful, beautiful fish. There you go. Let's go, baby. Pooping away. Right around the corner. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Just gonna let him go. Probably like a 20-incher. Thank you very much, buddy. Appreciate it. There he goes. Nice. Our fourth redfish of the morning. Still morning. I gotta love it. Fish on. Fish on again. Oh man. Gotta love this, man. Another redfish. Oh, easy, buddy. Don't get me wet. Fifth redfish of the day. Wow. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love this, guys. This is what it's all about. Easy, baby. Easy. Easy, 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 easy. I got you. Right on the side of the mouth. Oh, man. This is unbelievable. What a day. Look at that. Right on the corner of the mouth. He wasn't going nowhere. Wow. There it is. Another good bite. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful redfish. Same size, probably. I think that's like a 20. Let's see. Just to kind of see. 19 inch. Beautiful, gorgeous redfish. Thank you very much. I love it. We'll let him go. Catch some more redfish. Let's go, baby. I even got the trout. I was going back. Yes. Ooh, we just need Snook for an inshore slam. Look at that. Hey, I'll take it, man. Fred is working overtime. Easy, buddy. Easy, easy, easy. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. You got hooked on the side of the mouth. There you go. There you go, buddy. Here it goes. Got the trout as well. Well, guys, maybe on the way back I'll hit a Snook. You never know. Still going back. Well, guys, that's it. Going back now. It's 12:30. Gotta pick up the girls. Yes, how it girl. You know, that's how it goes. That's life. But all in all, had a great time. 5 nice redfish, 1 trout, but no Snook. So no inshore slam today. But all in all, man, I had a great time. Beautiful weather, unbelievable fishing. I love it. You catch a fish, that's like a bonus. And we got 5 redfish, 1 trout. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I also want to say a big thank you to Danny. He's my new patron. If you guys know, I have my Patreon website. You could become a patron and take advantage of all the cool spots, my honey holes, get the fish with me, and so many crazy features. Go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna link it below for you guys. Patreon.com/Conor. But thank you, Danny, for becoming a new patron. I appreciate it. I will see you soon. And that's it, guys, for today. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Tight line, everyone.